It's Wednesday and we're back with another exclusive property tour. We're in Griffin, Georgia at this beautiful estate, and as you pull in, you're greeted by this private gated entrance, and even better, there's a second private gate near the second entrance, maximizing security and seclusion. But before we jump into the tour, shout out to my new subscribers. I see you and I appreciate you. So allow me to introduce myself. I'm Maleeka, your Georgia realtor and new construction expert, and today I'll be showing you this beautiful estate on the market for $820,000. So let's talk about Griffin, Georgia. It's located just south of Atlanta, driving-wise, an average about an hour south of the city of Atlanta, and offers a charm of small-town living. You'll find a mix of historic character and new development here with access to parks, locally owned shops, and top-rated schools. So whether you're looking for more space, privacy, or simply a break from the hustle and bustle of the city, add Griffin to your home search list. Now welcome to your dream retreat. I'll be taking you inside this stunning new construction luxury estate featuring 6 bedrooms, 4.5 bathrooms, and sitting on a private 4-acre lot. Enjoy a few more moments of the outside and let's walk on in. So come on in. As you walk through your front door, you'll be welcomed into a bright open concept space, and next to your back patio, a guest bathroom and a guest bedroom immediately to your right here. And y'all know how I do. I love to show y'all how wide the room is to give you a visual of how to space your furniture. Now, I genuinely like to show the best for last, but here is your grand primary suite. It's oversized tray ceilings, incredibly beautiful, not one but 2 walk-in closets in the ensuite bathroom, luxurious from top to bottom, dual vanities, a large soaking tub, separate shower, and custom towel work. Take a look for yourself. Now we'll walk past your dining area, which floats right into your gourmet kitchen with sleek quartz countertops, an electric stove oven, stainless steel appliances, a farmhouse sink, a spacious island perfect for meal prep, and a breakfast bar ideal for casual dining or entertaining. You'll also find your pantry closet and butler's pantry. Now across the home, you'll find 2 additional bedrooms, each generously sized, perfect for family, guests, or home office setups. You'll also have a secondary bathroom to continue the upscale theme with quartz countertops, sleek vanities, and modern fixtures throughout. You'll also have your laundry space and your expansive garage for 3 cars on this side of the property. Now, as we walk back through the kitchen, you'll have your electric fireplace to the left before we head downstairs to the finished basement. Now this basement is its own private oasis with a full-size kitchen, separate entrance, and it has a space flexible enough for a home theater, gym, or in-law suite. You'll also have 2 spacious bedrooms offering privacy with shared access to a well-appointed full bath. Now guys, here's where things took a turn for me during filming. I mistakenly started recording in portrait and then I flipped it into landscape, but it was clearly too late and not me noticing it until I got home. So that's how we got to where we are, but all good. Let's still walk through and I'll show you what the backyard is looking like. You'll also get a quick view of the second private gate that I mentioned earlier. Alright guys, as we near the end of our tour, if you are ready to see it in person or want more information, all of my contact info is in the description below. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more luxury listings just like this one. Also, please share to anyone you know who may be in the market looking to purchase or build their next home. Thanks for watching. See you at the next tour.